We all know that solving a Rubik's Cube is hard. As you can see, you have to do certain moves to keep putting all the pieces in the places that they belong. And that's complicated and long. What kind of person has the time to remember these kinds of quote-unquote algorithms to solve a cube in, let's say, 20 seconds or something? When, in reality, we have a solution for that. And not like a Rubik's Cube solution. Aha, get it? It's a pun? Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce you to my new event that I feel should be added to the WCA, the No Touching Colors competition. We've all seen people who can't solve Rubik's Cubes scramble up cubes, and then they'd say, oh, I'll just make all the colors not touch, that way it'll be harder to solve. Well, I was thinking, maybe we turn that into an event. So now I'm going to call over my best friends who cannot solve Rubik's Cubes. Hi, best friends. I don't know why I'm leaving this in the video, but I'm calling you so you come over.
Hey now, you're an star, it's a game of audio. Hey now, you're a get paid.
Okay. Bye. How was about the fifth person I called? So, different people are coming over. So why don't we meet our contestants? Hi, my name's Tom. I've never solved a Rubik's Cube in my life. Hi, my name is Richard, and I've never solved a Rubik's Cube in my life. Hi, my name is Harry, and I wear fedoras. My Rubik's brand is lubed with Vaseline. Let's give all these cubes the exact same scramble so that it's always a fair competition. Unfortunately, I didn't record that, so let's just cut to them solving the cubes. Seems simple enough. Competition. Why don't we just like play sports or something? Sports are cool. I'm cool. You're supposed to make the colors not touch? It's weird. I'll try it. Look at me. Look at me. I'm scrambling it up. The more I scramble it, the harder it is for you to get to solve it. Eventually all the colors won't touch. I'm sure that'll happen. Not even hard. Look at how easy that was. Look at the... Why do these pieces have to keep connecting? It's competition. It's a lot harder than it looks. I got the cross! I might have just... Alright, it's supposed to be the opposite. Thought I was done. Supposed to unfix this. Wait. Yes, I did! Oh! That's it! Did I do it? Is that it? I think I got it. Don't see any connecting colors. Awesome! What was your time in doing this challenge? What were your times in doing this challenge? Leave it down in the comments below. Or don't. Because I do not want to get spammed with notifications on my phone. We already have one video that does that. Thanks for watching this video, and please, try making this a WCA event so that we can see people that are not Asians look at me talking as if I'm not one of them. Oh wait, I'm not, because I've been demoted to Pacific Islander.